Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss about what is investment. So as you all know what is investment, let me describe and define what is investment. Investments are defined as purchase of financial products or other items of value with an expectation of favorable returns in the future, resulting in the growth on the investment made. So in other words, it is nothing but putting money to make money or hiring money to make money. See, you'll make your money work for you. That is called as investment, so that it grows. Okay. So why is it important to invest? So as you all know, it is important to invest money to achieve financial independence and security. As you all know, you want to be rich because you want to buy whatever you want, whatever you see. So that is called financial freedom, and you want to achieve that, and you want to be secure in future, and so safeguard against inflation. As you all know what inflation is, let me give you an example regarding this. Suppose you have 10,000 rupees in the year 2000, that is 2000. So now as you can see, it is 2020. So if you have 10,000 rupees in the year 2000 and compare that same 10,000 rupees which you had in the year 2000 with the year 2020, so it is not same because of the items rates, whatever it is, whatever the facilities are there has gone up. That is called inflation. The difference between the money that is now 10,000 and before 10,000, that is called inflation. So there is a difference. In the year 2000 you might think that 10,000 rupees is a huge money, but now it is not that much, guys. So that is called as inflation. And to achieve your financial goals, so what are these financial goals? So let me explain what is this financial goals. So financial goals are classified as short-term goals and long-term goals. Short-term goals in the term, so what you need now and what you want to have in future. So these are called as short-term goals and long-term goals. Okay. So firstly, short-term goals are just like your desire to buy a car, or you want to go to some place like America or whatever the countries, you name it, you can go there. Those are called as short-term goals. You want to go there or in short-term period. So that is called as short-term goals. What about your long-term goals, which are called as you want to stay in a house, your own house for your lifetime? That is called villa, home. So you that is buying of those things. And your children education, and financial freedom at old age. You don't want to depend on your children for your welfare. So that is called long term goals. And ways to invest: how can you invest to achieve all these financial freedoms, to achieve your, you want to buy a car or whatever it is, how to invest. So for example, I have given a few examples. So there are many ways. So there are many ways you can invest. So the likely you can invest on properties, individual stocks, or mutual funds, gold bonds, silver, gold, government bonds, liquid funds. I'm sorry, I said gold bonds, it's not gold bonds. So there are gold bonds too, right, as of now. So government bonds, liquid funds, and fixed deposits. And please, thank you for watching all these videos, and thank you for watching this video. I really apologize for not making a video for few days. So, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to Targets Trading.